Hello guys and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Bitget wallet step by step. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to the Play Store and search for Bitget Wallet. Make sure the app is official and up to date, then install it. Once installed, open the app and tap on Create Wallet. Here, choose the option Create with Seed Phrase. Your wallet will be created instantly, but we're not done yet. Now, it's very important to back up your wallet. Go to My Wallet, then tap on your wallet name again. Next, select Backup Seed Phrase and tap Continue. You'll now see your seed phrase, which is a set of secret words. Make sure to write it down and keep it safe. Do not share it with anyone because anyone with this phrase can access your wallet. Once you've saved it securely, your wallet setup is complete. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.